Fall Leaves Fun by Early Bird Stories. Let's go on a fall leaf hunt. Leaves are colorful in the fall. Do you know why leaves change color? Leaves have lots of tiny little lines. They are called veins. Leaves soak up the sunlight. They take in air through tiny holes. Leaves make food for the trees. Then the veins carry the food back to the tree. So the leaf makes the food, then the veins carry it to the tree. Trees change each season. In winter, many trees have no leaves. Trees don't grow at all during cold winter days. Look, I spy a tiny bud on a branch. A bud is like a baby leaf. Spring sunshine warms the buds. Rain falls on the ground. The roots soak up the water. Look, I spy a little green leaf. Leaves unfold slowly from buds. Bright summer sunlight helps leaves grow. Leaves are green in the summer. In fall, leaves stop making food, so their green color goes away. Leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. I spy a falling leaf. In fall, the water stops going to the leaves. The parts holding the leaves to the branches grow weak. So the leaves fall from the tree. Crunch! Dead leaves dry up and break apart. Bits of dead leaves sink into the ground. These bits are good for growing new plants. Near each scar is a small bud. Oops, I think I skipped a page. No, okay. Sorry. Tiny scars are left on the branches when the leaves fall. Near each scar is a small bud that is formed during summer. These buds wait all fall and winter. Then, in spring, the leaves begin to grow again. The end. And that was Fall Leaves Fun by Early Bird Stories.